everybody.
I request all the leaders very well disciplined. This is really an eye peek to all of us to watch this beautiful ceremony. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Come on. Let's keep keeping on them, encouraging every one of you children. Put your hands. Keep on encouraging them. Band leaders are ready to receive their responsibilities on the stage and followed by the march past. All of you be in. So all the contingents are ready to give respect to the chief guest of our today and Samina. The Lotus Group captain is Sriram and Rishika. So I request Silent Father and our beloved registered sister to take part in the Vana Mahotsav Karyakrama. Thank you very much, sir.
Let's all give applause.
So, all of you give a big round of applause and give a big clap. Yeah, we could see there. Yeah, boys.
Today, we had a great opportunity to hear your
Let's
thoughts.
all give applause. Ah, that's good. Fantastic. Mohan. Check.
I want every one of you to be all-rounders, very good at sports, very good at studies also. See, Fatima School was, I think it was way back in 1970s, this was established. From then onwards, the same culture, the same tradition has been carried over. So I want students to be disciplined, to respect our elders, and then be masters in whatever you do. I just wanted to give you a small message. In class 5 itself, you aim something, and then you will be achieving whatever you aim your goals. So right from my childhood, I wanted to be a doctor, and I have become a doctor. Similarly, you have to aim your things, because even if you are an average student also, the other time I have already repeatedly told you, if you keep on reading, even the difficult task will become easy. You set your goals only in class 5 or 6, so that you will be achieving, you will be striving towards your goal. Because if you don't plan your goal, you are nowhere. Right from your childhood, you have to plan, if you want to achieve something, you plan and try to work on it. Even if you fail once, twice, thrice, it doesn't matter, and ultimately you have to reach your goal.